Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Nespresso Gemini 220. First, carefully unpack your new machine and remove all protective packaging. Next, fill the water tank with fresh, clean drinking water, ensuring it's above the minimum level. Finally, plug in the machine and power it on. Allow a few moments for it to heat up, indicated by a steady light, before its first use. Once your Gemini 220 is ready, lift the lever and insert your preferred Nespresso capsule into the slot. Close the lever firmly. Now, choose your desired cup size and coffee strength using the intuitive controls on the panel. With your selection made, simply press the brew button. The machine will then begin extracting your perfect cup of coffee. For delicious milk-based drinks, utilize the integrated steam wand to froth milk to your desired consistency. After each use, remember to purge and wipe the wand clean. To maintain hygiene, perform a daily rinse cycle by running water through the system without a capsule. Also, descale your machine every few months to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Regular maintenance keeps your Gemini 220 running smoothly. Don't forget to empty the used capsule container once it's full, typically holding around 30 capsules. Also, clean the drip tray and wipe down the external surfaces with a soft, damp cloth to keep it looking pristine. For an even easier cleanup around your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly brewed Nespresso.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.